Hi, this is Vijay from Laven. I'm very excited to introduce one of our flagship product, CNC Centerless Grinding Machine. This machine is one of India's largest centerless grinding machine, and I'm proud to say that we are one of the only manufacturers manufacturing this size of centerless grinding machine. Today, I want to walk you through this product. This machine here is used to manufacture high precision products like bearing outer race, shock absorbers, hydraulic spools, and a plethora of other products which requires very high precision in grinding. And this machine here is specifically used to manufacture these high precision products at scale. The key areas that we took care of while designing this machine is accuracy, repeatability, and manufacturing components at scale. The accuracy of the machine is taken care by designing the base to be very rigid. The base itself is about 8 to 9 tons, and every single component thereon is carefully scraped and aligned to ensure that all the moving parts are very precise and very accurate. The grinding wheel spindle is of a twin grip construction which ensures very high rigidity while running. The selection of material for every single component of the machine was very precise to ensure that we don't miss out on the final accuracy of the machine. The grinding wheel spindle is equipped with a fully automatic wheel balancer, and this ensures that the grinding wheel spindle is running and producing accurate components. The machine is also equipped with an oil chiller unit which ensures that the hydraulic oil in the spindle is maintained at a constant temperature, and variations in the temperature does not affect on the job that we are grinding on. The machine is equipped with the latest Fanuc CNC controller with 4-axis CNC system. We have ensured that we use the best-in-class ball screw that is available in the market today, and also the machine is equipped with a Hydanine glass scale. This ensures positional accuracy and repeatability every single time that we are grinding any product on this machine. This machine here is a workhorse which is used for very high volume production. To ensure that the machine runs at optimal temperature, the machine is equipped with oil chillers, coolant flow sensors, and the electrical panel is air conditioned. The machine is equipped with a plethora of sensors, safety switches to ensure that the machine does not break down during power failure or any other incidents. The machine also has an automatic retract option to avoid any failures, and there are a multiple of software interlocks to ensure that the machine runs trouble-free. Last but not the least, since we are using the latest CNC controller in the machine is already 4.0 ready, and it can do all your preventive maintenance at a switch of a button. This was a brief overview of our flagship product, which is one of India's largest CNC centerless grinding machines that is available in the market today. Any questions, comments, please feel free to reach out to me.